April, bakit mo naman ang tagal mo kami pinag-intay? 6 years.
Oh my goodness. Why did you ever like want me to try like oh yes, I noticed you
6 years. Kasi
20
I remember I bumped into you during the
bench fashion show.
Yeah.
Also one of your part of your wish list.
Yes.
Yes.
So, diba? So, parang 6 years. So, ang tagal.
I know. But you know what happened over that past 6 years? I've been working as an OFW. So I've worked for 3 years already in Singapore. So
Anong work mo doon?
I work in a hotel. So I work in a premium service provider for our VIP hotel guests. So ayun.
Parang may nakita akong flyer mo.
Oh my goodness. Yes, maybe that from the hotel. Yes. All right. Yeah, so ayun yung mga ginagawa ko. And then, you know, by working abroad, I've learned a lot. And I can say that I also improve a lot. It let me open my eyes on how to accept different type of cultures. And I want to, you know, share this to my fellow candidates that we can also be that kind of culture that they have because they can accept who they are with regards to their skin tone, races, mixed races, or even different places, different personalities as well, different language. So ayun, so parang like na-open ako doon na parang dapat ganito and I should accept myself for being Black Filipina, for having not the perfect English because also people from different places, they're not perfect well spoken. So ayun lang. So I've learned a lot over those 6 years by working also abroad as an OFW.
Hirap pa ang buhay ng OFW.
Of course, we shouldn't deny that one. Being away from the family and friends and from your hometown itself, you've missed a lot of special occasions, birthdays,
So,
celebrations.
pala itong mag-MUPH para makauwi ka dito sa Pilipinas.
No, hindi. Of course, I love Philippines. I love Cebu. Yes, and I just wanted to, you know, share my story again, over and over again. I will not get tired on and off camera, with or without pageants. So I just want to inspire people.
Pero buti, your company is very kind to
Yes,
allow
oh my
you.
goodness. I'm so thankful with the company because they're so very supportive since day one. Ever since, like, I tried to join the Sorsogon, Kasanggayahan.
Yes.
I tried to ask them, and then they said, go for it. And then this second time around, I asked them, and then, like, we're your number one supporters.
So kung manalo ka,
Oh my goodness.
have you already entertained that thought? Kasi there is a huge possibility.
No, because for now, what matters for me is